How to fix no sound on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, check the side of your phone and make sure that the silent mode is turned off. If not, then turn it off. And then, press the upper volume button at the side of your phone to increase the volume. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You will see a group of icons over here. Tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. You have now switched off Bluetooth to make sure you have disconnected from any device where the sound may be trying to play from. After that, open the Home button and tap on Device. Then, tap on More. From here, tap on Restart. After restarting, you can then check if the problem has been solved. Following these steps, you can easily fix no sound on iPhone.